which is 3.71 inches below normal. No snow fell yesterday. The total snowfall for the season still stands at a trace. There was no snow on the ground. There were 5 heating degree days yesterday, which is 7 below normal. This brings the monthly total to 109, which is 48 below normal. The seasonal total is 717, which is minus 106 below normal. The yearly total since July 1st is 3,519, which is 704 below normal. There were no cooling degree days yesterday, which is... This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Device for station KIH-28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas near the city of Philadelphia, in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. In New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem. In Delaware: Kent and Newcastle, including Upper Delaware Bay. And in Maryland: Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KIH-28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service for the following counties in Delaware, Kent, and